Superheating the refrigerant before it hits the compressor is super important to keep your HVAC system running smooth and avoid costly repairs. Okay, so here's the deal with subcooling for thermostatic expansion valves and superheat for fixed orifice systems. Subcooling means cooling the liquid refrigerant below its condensation point before it reaches the expansion valve, which helps the valve control refrigerant flow better. On the flip side, superheat is all about heating the refrigerant vapor above its boiling point after it leaves the evaporator, making sure it's all gas and no liquid. This is crucial because liquid refrigerant in the compressor can mess things up big time, causing damage or efficiency drops. You want to make sure the compressor sucks in only vapor to avoid flooding and wear and tear. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit of superheat in most systems. If you're adjusting a thermostatic expansion valve, checking subcooling helps ensure the valve isn't starving or flooding the evaporator. For fixed orifice systems, monitoring superheat tells you if the refrigerant flow is right without any fancy controls. Always keep an eye on these numbers when servicing AC units to catch problems early and keep everything working like a charm. One of the biggest mistakes people make with superheat and subcooling is ignoring the numbers altogether, which can lead to compressor failure or inefficient cooling. Another common slip-up is setting the superheat too low, risking liquid slugging in the compressor. Fix that by adjusting the expansion valve or checking for blockages. Third, not accounting for system load changes can throw off your subcooling and superheat readings. Just remember to retest under normal operating conditions so you get accurate numbers every time. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to connect with reliable local contractors who know their stuff. Contractors also benefit because it helps them find steady work from people who really need their skills without all the hassle.